It's Tuesday. My work job just ended. This whole day I'm not gonna trade. The trade market open has already started like 4 minutes ago, but I'm not even gonna open the charts. And the whole day I'm gonna be doing stuff. So yeah. Well, yesterday I was really mad about not getting that much sleep, but this night I got a lot of sleep, and I'm very happy about that. My mental is much more clearer now. So let's try to keep the goal for the week to sleep every day at least that it's 9 hours when I am in bed trying to sleep. So 9 hours of sleep, that would be nice. But yeah, this rest of the week let's just focus on good habits, and it'll go well. Well, yeah. It's hold on. It's what is it? It's it's Wednesday. Yeah, right. Today there thankfully was no trades, even though I couldn't have traded the first 30 minutes of market open. No trades, but and I tried to fix my front brakes on my moped, but it didn't work. I need to buy a new like brake caliper, because that is the broken part. And oh yeah, also one thing, my bank account at the moment is so low that I couldn't even put gas in my moped. So I had to first go to another gas station where I can put 5 euros, because I didn't have more than 10 euros in my bank account. So then I put 5 euros in on the other. Then I went to cash in my cash. It was like $50. So now I had like 40 euros in my bank account, and that will have to last for rest of this week and next week. So I won't be buying any activation fees or evals or anything in trading until I get my paycheck. But I don't need to, because I'm on my XFA and I still have one eval left, which is a no activation fee account. Actually today I traded my eval, one of my evals. The trade lost, but it's alright, because I don't even need to have that many XFAs. I still have one free account to trade on an eval. I will take it slower, and maybe I'll pass that one. But yeah, tomorrow it's gonna be Thursday, so I can trade on Thursday. Like I can trade like full time. Right now it's midnight. I will have like 6 hours to sleep. It's pretty tough. I do not like sleeping so little at all, but I just have to tug it out this day. And yeah, after tomorrow, Friday, I don't have any work. Yeah, right, so that's good. After tomorrow's trading session, I will sleep right after that for like 2 hours. After that, I will go to the gym and have a big leg day. That's right. I've been waiting for that for the past 4 days. I haven't gone to the gym in 4 days. That's pretty bad. But tomorrow, after I rest, after the trading session, I will eat and sleep and wake up after like 2 hours of sleep and go to the gym and enjoy the training session. Yeah. Also today when I traded, I'm so happy I did not click the button. There was a kind of trade. I mean, yeah, there was something to as a trade idea with the drawn liquidity being valid and it was correct, the drawn liquidity, but there just wasn't that obvious of a setup. Like it wasn't jumping on my screen to take this trade in. So I decided to stay patient because last week literally what happened was that patience is key. Like first at the start of the session, no, not that good trades, but at the end of the session, absolute A plus trade. And when I see that next A plus trade, full port the fucking account, I need to probably win. I need to secure a lot of capital on your funders. So yeah, waiting for the next A plus clear as fuck easy trade to take. Waiting for that, staying patient. I'm not in a hurry at all, and I will just continue living my life. Probably I want to fix my brakes because it's low-key illegal driving without working front brakes. So yeah, hopefully I don't get pulled over for the next week or so. And if I can't find any front brake calipers, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I probably just have to sell that moped and buy another one, or I don't know, maybe buy a car, but I don't know. I'm going to sleep now. I should have went sleep half. I should have went sleeping like so much earlier, but I'm going now. So yeah, see you tomorrow. At the moment in this trade, it's a short. Let's see how it goes. I just got out that break even because ES was rejecting like for a pretty long time this internal low. So I secured my stop being here because I just know that it, oh shit, this holy shit, why isn't it? Because I knew if this internal low is being rejected, like there's 1-2 candles which slowed down, and after this week and it really hesitated to take that one internal low, I'm out at that point. Like maybe I would take a re-entry or something if it represents itself, that opportunity, but I'm out at here at least. Like I wasn't even planning on taking shorts today. It was just a too good of a reaction to fade. So probably not gonna take anything anymore today unless longs represents some sort of chance, but yeah, it's looking like a good call that I got out that break even. Yeah, I got in longs based off of this short on ES rejecting, failing, and overall structure on the higher time frame and lower time frame being bullish. Break even point is this internal high, and my target is this 1 hour gap. Actually probably going to get break even pretty quick here. Let's see how it goes. I'm break even already because he has hit that internal high. I don't know if I did it too fast. Actually no, I don't think I should beat this quick break even. Let's put it at a logical place right here. well, let's just put it at here, because I actually have conviction in this one. Like if it, oh, let's see, now it might be a different situation, because yeah, now I'm fine with it, because it was that close to hitting that internal high. Now it's all right. Oh well, let's see how it goes. And this is, by the way, going to be my last trade of the day. I took other one which got break even. If this gets break even or something, I'll just hop off. It ain't worth to trade that much. Well, there I'm at that break even. I cut my hair. I'm bald. My hairline is way high. Holy hairline. But yesterday I was at the gym and I had this strong urge to just cut all my hair off. It's low-key so much more comfortable that there's no hair hanging from my head that's making me more sweaty and wet. And it's summer and my hair doesn't make me who I am, so it low-key makes me look a little bit better, but fuck that. It's alright. Yeah. Holy fuck. I'm making food. But it's Sunday. It's Sunday. Right now wait. Yeah. So this week's recap, basically, trade wise, it's a break-even week. And it's a break-even week. Yeah. What can I say? I didn't even trade all of the days, but there also wasn't a good setup, even if I was trading on those days. But then there was one trade I took, or actually two on the same day. Both were break-evens, and it is what it is. It's very frustrating. I would have rather just not take anything and be a no trade week, but it is what it is. So yeah, pretty much idea for the next week is simply that patience is key. As long as I am patient, I will get that good A+ setup. When I see it, I risk a lot. And yeah, build my balance up to like around 2k on my XFA. So I need 2 trades that wins in a row. That would build my balance up, and I can then focus on winning days. But yeah, my balance right now is at 500 plus. So let's see what happens next week. I don't know, man. I don't think I have recorded that much at all, and I also need to edit all of these videos that I'm making. I'm probably gonna be uploading this like two weeks in, like with a 2 weeks delay, or even 3 weeks or a month, I don't know. But yeah, just dig into the process. I look like an egg. I look like an egg. I look like an egg, literal egg. But yeah, nothing else to say. Let me just continue on my week. In this trade, how has it not still stopped me out yet? Damn it, dude. Right now I just want it to either stop me out immediately or keep going up, because this is not like, dude, that's a hard attack. Come on, man. But I'm holding, I still have strong conviction in higher price. Alright, I'm here break even. I don't have the mental capacity to not be break even already here. I already see this as a loss slash a break even trade because how it performs. But let's give it a shot if I can get lucky with it just flashing up from here. I got break even on this. I don't have the mental capacity to hold threes, and also I don't think when this didn't continue going higher, I don't have that much conviction anymore in price going higher. It's very likely that price is just going to chop from this zigzag, so maybe I get a re-entry or maybe I don't, but it's a chill day, break-even day, and it's fine. I just re-entered here. Basically the same trade idea, but I just got a entry there, like an actual new trade idea. Let's see how it goes. Alright, I'm at least securing a winning day. I can't take this anymore, so let's see what happens. Alright, I couldn't take it anymore. I got a winning day of almost 500. My balance is at 1000, and really honestly, oh my camera, now I just need to get one more winning trade, and then I can stack winning days and it'll be fine. Two winning days away from requesting a payout. but I'm going to take it slow. I don't okay, I will not take any bullshit. I will take normal trades, but with less risk. We take 1-to-1 for $150, basically a winning day. Need 2 of those, and I will not do anything dumb. I will not crash out, and I will stick to the process and not do anything dumb. Then it'll be fine. Here's the trade calendar. So Tuesday, first win trade, and this next day I took oh, this was a bullshit day. It was all my fault, but yeah, a smaller loss. Then a break even last Thursday. I swear, this was so annoying. But yesterday W day, today W day, and yeah, now I just need to take it slow. We can stay here, there's nothing we can do. We can go up, up, up. I'm starting to maybe understand more and more about discretional trading, and also simplifying my trading by so much. All I need is what trend is the higher time frame going on, what could it maybe want to go on the shorter time frame. I need a good draw, and I need a convincing thing that makes it more probable for it to go to that draw before stopping me out of my trade. And I'm probably going to do a trade recap on my computer, recording it from the computer. So yeah, but I don't want to change my thing too fast, because I know this slow and steady thing works. But if I can just simplify that shit, and also just know when to not, I just know when it's bad conditions. If I can just avoid that, simplify the draw / higher time frame trend, and have a safe entry with actually like good price action, and know when the price action is going to be more probable to continue to that, and also what days are not going to probably continue. Because it's easy to take a good setup, but it's hard to fade the not so obvious ones. There can be like kind of good looking, mechanically good looking, but it can also at the same time be pretty bad if you look at the higher time frame and the market structure. But yeah, more so on later. So we got these going on the air fryer. How many minutes? 180 degrees for, okay, yeah, 20 minutes. Now we let it crust, and we are doing 4 eggs. I think it is hot enough. I am Jose Mourinho. Oh yeah. In day type of trade, I thought it was $150, but it's not. So let's see if this one hits. If it hits, I get a winning day. All right, I got it. Sure.
The big oh hell no, oh shit,
Nah. Hey. this winning day trade. Let's see what happens. Break even, just trying to capitalize off the volume. If this gets break even, it's deserved. Like just trusting that the volume will flush price down. Well, that's break even. It's all right. Well, it just didn't deliver as cleanly and it whipped me out, but it's all right. I will not crash out or do anything dumb because of this. I will just wait. Maybe like today we have done so much. Wait, how much? 80 points on ES? What? How much on NQ? 800 points. That's crazy. I don't know. This volume is looking so crazy. Maybe I take it on NQ because the draw is not taking, and the volume is so crazy. Well, yeah, just trying to take what is it, advantage of the volume. Wait, did ES take the, oh shit, ES took the draw. I really don't know. I need to think about my stop placement because I can get really easily stopped out like right this second, and I don't really want to lose that much. Oh, this is a critical moment. What should I do? Well, I'm gonna just keep my stop loss here. I don't know, man. I low-key entered so emotionally just now. Well, maybe I should just, maybe it's giving me a, all right, just dump now. I'm not going to lose any more than 200 on the day. If this loses, it's all right. Probably gonna stop me out right here. Yeah, are you going to? Yeah, it is. Okay. I don't know, man. I think it stops me out. I will stop the recording just in, okay, now it stops me. I'll okay enter in such a bad position. How did it not? Okay, now it did. Yeah, okay. All right, I took a losing trade. That was low-key dumb. I'm off. Like I'm not going to do anything dumb. It's over. I'm not doing anything dumb. That was kind of, I don't know. The first trade that I took, it was actually something, but that was just dumb. I did something dumb. I couldn't have even risked properly because the volume is so crazy. I would have had to risk like half a micro, but it's all right. I will hop off. I will forget about this day and maybe another day, or I really don't know. Okay, I'm not in a hurry for a fast like payout, so it's way better for me to just chill out and stop trading for the day rather than try to overtrade. Like keep the losses at a minimum, build my habits, and not do anything dumb. Feels kind of weird. What I would have never done this if this was a XFA, like A plus full risk type of trade. It would have been a no trade day probably. And yeah, I don't know. It's all right. Yeah, I don't know. See you. I'm thinking right now that the loss I just took, it's like, yeah, it is a small loss, but it's actually a kind of a good thing that I took it, because if I wouldn't have taken it, I wouldn't have what is it, I wouldn't have experienced this thing about self-control in trading. that it's just a simple but hard thing to after you take it, no matter what. If it loses after you take it, you just close the charts and don't overtrade. It was pretty close that I was starting to think about, oh, well, maybe I should take another trade or something like that, but dude, that's what a chad would think. I am a chad, but not anymore because I don't overtrade. Yeah. Basically, I realized that the decision I just made is good for the long term, even though it's a loss. That doesn't matter, and it's not about it being a loss. It's being a dumb loss. I didn't do anything smart. The first trade, it was smarter, but that second trade, not smart at all. Not logical, not smart. It was dumb. That was not that was not intelligent from me. That would have not benefited me at all for my long term and for my long term trading, also for my short term trading. It was not a good trade to take, and I know it. And in the moment when I took it, I didn't even think about was it a good trade. That's the reason I took it. I was just lost in my mind, lost in my emotions of wanting to re-enter, hoping about that it's just the volume. I'm gonna bring it down, but it was a very bad fail I took. I was just dumb. I was dumb. That's all there is to it. I was dumb at the moment when taking it, and those emotions got into me. But I know better, and now I am glad I didn't continue, and I will not continue trading today at all. I won't even open the charts. And yeah, I'm gonna continue on my day, and tomorrow maybe I get another chance of a good logical trade to take. But I think if I lost $170, therefore my balance is at like 1500, and that's pretty low if I lose another trade before getting my winning day. So probably it would be logical just to wait for that actual A plus and risk a normal like 600 amount. Like it would logically kind of almost make more sense. I'm not benefiting anything from getting a small size payout, and I don't even need a small or a bigger sized payout. So maybe I should risk on the next trade just normally and wait for an actual A plus. I'm not really liking to think about taking only winning day trades. That's kind of like, I mean, I get the idea, but if my balance was at like fucking max balance, like at 4,000, then it would be fun. Then it would be like fun to take those, but it's at 1,500. And if I get that smallest amount of payout, it will be like probably 500 euros in my bank. Tomorrow I'm getting my paycheck from the job. It's way more than that. I don't need the payout. What I need is consistently and the skill of how to do it trading consistently. Maybe I should just continue for one more trade to risk normally like 600, and with that with that my balance would be even a little bit more up, and I would have a bigger buffer for my next cycle of trading the account. I would have a little bit better of drawdown, I think. But yeah, I don't know. But this week already has been such a great progress. Like I'm up a lot, but maybe now that I think of it, I'm going to risk more on the next trade. Just like a normal trade, I won't risk anywhere near like 900 or 700. I will risk probably 5 to 600 because yeah, because but yeah. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's about it, my stop loss. I don't regret the trade idea, I regret the execution I took. But that's something dumb. My execution was so dumb. It's going to be a big losing day. Hold on. I haven't yet been stopped out. There might be an SMT. Let's fucking hope it is and I get saved. If this shit plays out, dude, if this shit plays out, yeah, it's about to stop me out. Oh my fucking days. Yeah, well, it's kind of a deserved loss. This is what happens when you do bullshit. Well, let's just continue with my week. If this doesn't play out, I'm really cooked. There is an SMT. I'm just praying it holds right now. I'm not gonna get out at break even because I'm there's like, okay, maybe I should. Oh well. For now, I'm just holding. I might be fucked. I really might be fucked. Like, genuinely. Well, okay, now I want to be break even already if I can get yeah, it's cooked. It's really cooked. Holy fuck. Oh, what am I doing? You don't even know how fast I am about to crash out. I'm not proud of it, but I'm man enough to show it. Yeah. Well, thankfully at least I have money in my account. I understand the reason some traders don't make it, but I, like, after recording that previous clip, I got a new good setup. Now I am basically crashing out with over trading, but now I have a lot of, what's the word, I am pretty confident in this trade hitting. It's more of a higher time frame trade, and we'll see what happens. I'm risking it all pretty much here. So if this loses, I blow my shit. If it doesn't, I'll be able to probably request. But yeah, I'm thinking just from these previous experiences, the way that I want to trade funders is simply to, when I get on the XFA, to literally full port 2 trades in a row bring my balance up, like bring it actually up to like 3k balance. Because if I can manage easily to trade, to take 2 winning trades, but if I start to think about, no, I need to make a little bit more and a little bit more, I'm using my energy to make it more possible that I blow the accounts from human errors, like this week. If I risk a lot on those trades at the start of the week, I would be much more up and I would not need any more balance, and I will just need those winning days. And even if I lost those winning days, that they wouldn't be that big of a loss. So yeah, I don't know, I'ma just let the trade play itself out and see what happens. I'm not gonna take a big loss anymore. If this shit hits, it's over. Like, it's dead ass, it's going to be over. I saw volume was going to pick up here, so I just put a little bit more on the risk. Maybe the volume continues and fucking it saves the day, or maybe not. But my actions were very bad for the day. I already know that, and I still am fucked if I win this trade. Like, it's fucked. I'm so fucking lucky. It's actually not good at all that I even did what I just did. I crashed out. It's not a good thing, but I got rewarded for it. Because of it, I can request a payout, I'm not proud of this payout, not at all. Like, oh, I just had it in my mind for a second, maybe I should re-enter, but my psychology is cooked. My trading psychology is fucking cooked right now. My trading psychology is at the bottom of fucking this. But I'm gonna show you it. Now it uploaded. I'm not proud of it at all, but because of it, I'm able to request now. I took a short into a 15-minute gap, like here, and then I just added until it hit the gap. Like, if I had my TP down here, I would have made fucking 1500 from that trade, bro. I'm so dumb for doing this, but it was already, my account was already at like, I think I had 700 of drawdown left, so it was a all or nothing. I got break even on that micro ES long high time frame trade, and it will probably hit, but I don't know, I did something dumb. But yeah, fuck, man. I know I'm a good trader, but this day and yesterday, it cooked me. And the way that it cooked me, I think it's okay. All of it's because I'm coping, and I just don't have the psychology for it. Well, I don't have the discipline for it. I don't know, I'm impatient, I'm dumb, but I'm starting to like the idea of just risking a fuck ton of money on your first XFA trades. You win 2 trades, boom, that's a max size payout because your balance is so up. I think that's how I'm going to be able to rinse prop firms and get payouts. I'm not at all that type of person who should trade a lot, because if I trade a lot, I do something dumb. It's it's such a big possibility of that when I do it. But yeah, I'm still like flabbergasted by what just happened and what the fuck did I do. But how I did, I already thought, okay, well, I blew the fucking XFA, so I will never. Holy fuck! I said that yesterday and 2 days ago that I would never do this. Yeah, this is a serious wake-up call for me. Like, I'm cooked. I'm really cooked. Even though I got this payout, yeah, I'm not profitable. I'm unprofitable, but I got a payout. But that's the thing. You can be unprofitable but get payouts. It's like pretty dumb. But yeah, I'm cooked. My trading psychology is fucking cooked. It probably would have been better if I blew this XFA for my long term like trading skill, but yeah, whatever. I'll just try to enjoy my weekend. And I'm trying to fix my brakes on my moped or just buy a new moped. I don't know. Let's see. I'm watching football. It's Norway versus France. But yeah, just chilling.
Alright, it's 1 a.m. It was end of day finally, so now I can request submit. Let's see what happens.